Welcome back to the Morning Blend with our continuing series, Insurance 101 with Sovereign Select. Medicare open enrollment is over, so now people are asking, now what?
Now what? Well, anyone turning 65 this year can enroll around their birthday, but what if you're still working? Joining us now is Julie Lucy. She is a Medicare broker with Sovereign Select, an independent insurance agency that specializes in educating and assisting people to find the very best plan. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. Thanks for having me again.
Yeah, thanks for being back. You know, we often joke, we've gotten several thank you cards, I think, over the years, several, just saying how much it's helped people to work with you guys, using the services that Sovereign Select provides people. And you recently partnered with Sovereign Select.
Right. I joined Sovereign Select. It's coming up on 2 years.
Wow.
And prior to that, I had a long history in medical sales as well as pharmaceutical sales. And this was kind of an easy transition for me. I've loved getting out in the community and meeting people and helping people navigate their Medicare plans.
Yeah.
Sitting down with them on an individual basis and tailoring a certain Medicare plan to their financial needs as well as their healthcare needs.
Yeah.
In many cases, we can save them, quite a bit of money, but I think also peace of mind.
Yeah. That's worth a lot.
Right.
Yes.
I think that is more important because they're just inundated with information.
Yeah. I was going to say it can be complicated, but also there's such a huge volume of information out there.
Yes.
You guys just finished the annual enrollment period last month. That was in December. So I know you were swamped helping people get through everything, navigate all the changes. Now people are kind of saying, now what? Now what's next?
Well, right now we are working with a lot of people that are age 65 and older who are still working and on a group health plan, as well as those just turning 65.
So how do you help those people? Because you've mentioned that a lot of people who are turning 65 and they're still working on a group health plan, what do? How do you help them?
Well, more and more people are working past the age of 65. In fact, 20% of Americans now work past the age of 65.
So we're living to 105.
Right. My dad worked until he was 81.
Yeah.
So if you enjoy your job, you stay.
Yeah.
And group health plans used to be awesome. They used to be rich in benefits and they didn't cost a lot. But with the changing healthcare system out there over the last 10 years, deductibles have skyrocketed, premiums have skyrocketed. It's not the perfect plan anymore. And what we can do at Sovereign Select is sit down with you and review your Medicare plan or your group health care plan compared to your Medicare plan and see if we can save them money. In fact, Medicare costs less than 80% of all group health plans out there.
Wow, I was just
That's a big
wondering
deal.
about that.
And that's just because of the changing landscape of healthcare. Companies can't offer, they're offering great benefits, but they're not as great as they used to be. So people really need to start evaluating Medicare when you're planning on working past the age of 65.
Yeah.
One of the other things you mentioned is a lot of people are turning 65.
Yeah,
So it's once they have that birthday. In fact, nationally, more than 10,000 people, you say, turn 65 each day. So what do you suggest for those people?
People 65 or 64 turning 65 are absolutely inundated with emails, phone calls, mail, you name it. It's kind of funny because we often, when we meet with people in their homes, there's kind of like a pile of Medicare information that they really haven't looked through because they're hoping for some help.
It's too much.
Right. And what they really want to do is they want to call an independent Medicare broker like Sovereign Select, and we will sit down with them again and tailor a program to fit their financial needs and their healthcare needs. And once we partner, once we work with them, we will review their plan every single year for them and make sure that they're on the correct plan. Because plans change and people's healthcare needs change.
They might have different medicines or different, things that happen throughout the year. But I just think it's so great because that meeting with you guys is free. That's a free consultation.
It's a free meeting. It's one-on-one. We'll meet you in your home. We'll meet you in the office. yeah, it's gratifying to be able to educate people that they then understand Medicare, they understand their plan, and they understand the costs behind it, because there's a lot of options out there.
You simplify it, which I think is so cool.
Right.
One of the things you guys do is these Road to Medicare. So I want to give the information because this is an educational event only. There's no specific plans discussed, but it's your chance to come and learn about Medicare and all the different parts to it. The next one is Friday the 31st. It's at 10 a.m. in Brookfield. There's light snacks usually there. And it's nice because you can get a lot of questions answered and just learn an overview. But here's how you can also schedule that one-on-one consultation with Julie Lucy. Her phone number is 414-253-3554. She'll come to you, or you can meet her in her office or at a local coffee shop. And it's jlmedicare.com for Julie Lucy. I want to call you Juicy Lucy. Call her Juicy Lucy.
It's a hamburger chain.
I know it is. It was created in Minnesota. The Juicy Lucy. That's gonna be your new nickname. No, just kidding. Thanks for being here, Julie.
Thanks so much for having me. It's such a joy to be here.
Appreciate it.